Okay, so hello everybody, and today we're going to be making some squishies. So I only have 3 colors, so we're going to try and turn this into some type of watermelon. Now I'm going to have to do a couple of parts of this, so today's going to be part 1, then I'll do a little bit more art at a time. So I don't have very many colors. These are the only colors I got. And I was actually inspired to do this by another YouTuber. I can't really remember her name, but she decorates a whole bunch of squishies that you guys send her and everything, and I think that's just awesome. I really look up to her because I love arts and crafts. Okay, so as you see, it takes a while to get them in the right shape. That's supposed to be a circle. Okay, now since I'm doing this, I think I'm going to do a slice of watermelon instead, because I have like a really miniature one that I made. So they're not too big of a difference, but this one puffs up faster than this one because of the paint. But anyways, now I think we're going to use something else. So we might use this for the paint. Just like paint all of this because I actually use this for painting. So first I think we're going to put the green on. So actually we're just going to put a little on here. Plus it's easier to direct it with the brush. Anyways, so then we're going to look at a couple of my other paintings. So basically this is just an art video. So I'm not done this through. Oops. So I think we're going to lean it. I just painted this one. No! I just stuck my hand in a random thing I'm working on. Oh my gosh, I just painted that one. Pinch. So this one looks kind of bad. Probably because it's really tiny. And I just got these in like, I don't know why, but there's this like really weird one that I've been working on. I don't even know what this is. Like, I'm just gonna scrap it. It's gone. Goodbye. So we're gonna let that dry for a while. So I just put another like thin layer coat on my painting of the new galaxy painting I'm working on because I got this. So dry. Makes it dry faster because you're spreading it around. Anyways, so In one video that I tried making, I finished it, but I couldn't show you guys. So it's my sunflower painting. So yeah, there is layers and layers of paint on these. Anyways, so there's nothing wrong about this one. I think we just need to fix up the flower. Which will mean blue. But for now on, there are going to be certain paints I'm going to be using. And I think I'm going to mix some of this tempera paint. Ooh, that stuff comes out fast. Anyways. So I think I'm gonna go through fast motion, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have to go to bed soon and I have to take care of this. It's pretty full. So yeah, my paintings, the only reason I put the tape there is I'm gonna try and even it out, and then I'm gonna make little splotches to make it look like a little bit uneven, you know. But then I'm gonna try and get once that paint dries, I'm gonna do another coat because as you see, the white was mixing with the black because the black wasn't dry. Anyways, that's all I need. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Bye.